Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is a deep analysis that we do every Saturday, and we're gonna see what Bitcoin is looking for, starting from the all-time history to the micro level in the 1 hour chart. So on the all-time history, we have already a finished impulse in a wave 1, we have ABC wave 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a finished wave 3, another correction wave 4, another impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to finish, of course, the fifth waves of this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And currently your wave 1 is very extended here as per the logarithmic chart. Of course, we're talking here not the linear chart. ABC, a correction for a wave B or a wave 2. Now if you're wondering why this is very shallow for a wave 2, well, it is not. On the linear chart, you will realize that this wave 2 is the deepest correction ever, right? And currently we're having another deeper correction where I'm expecting also this potential red box. We gonna explain what it is. So after this deep correction, wave 2 or wave B, we are looking here at another impulse as a 1, 2, 3 here, 4, and a 5, where we have finished also the bull run for the last bull run, I would say, as a wave 1 again in the orange scenario. Meaning the orange scenario is one of your probability as it's a wave C or a wave 3, meaning you have finished an ABC here. You are finishing an AB and a C, of course, as an impulse, and we're looking for a wave C as another impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also can be a large impulse, 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5, meaning this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 of your wave 3, and we're gonna get a 4, 5 later on. If we take a look at our all-time highs, of course, we can see the curve is unfolding here still, and we're looking at the projection for the next bull run might still hit, of course, the 200K for a wave 3. So basically, now currently we are in this correction after the impulse that we got for the last bull run. We're looking for 3 waves corrective. Don't forget the timing is very, very essential. Same as for the fib level. Minimum requirement 0.3856K, and I believe that the 52K can be even taken or in between. So between the 44 and 56, I would say this red testing area is very, very essential here for Bitcoin as a 3 waves, and we'll see potentially something pushing toward the upside again. Now, in case that the timing will take much more longer, so it can transform that this 3 waves can transform into an A, and then having a wave B later on, or an X, WX as well, and having a wave C or a wave Y. So the wave C will be an impulse, of course, as 5 waves to hit, of course, the perfect fib levels for a wave 2 between the 35K, 25K. So that is called a deep correction wave 2 or a wave Y. The wave Y might be here in this case like 3 waves, meaning you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down again, which I doubt it. Much more likely for a wave 2 to be an ABC, a flat zigzag, one of them much more higher probability. So that's why I'm expecting a wave 2 in a wave C as well, in case we got a deeper correction. However, this testing area between the 44 and 56K has to be, of course, tested before we call this area, guys. And this is what we are doing. And we're going to see also our channeling here analysis. As you can see, this channeling analysis explains exactly what is going on. So basically, we had our base channel for the bull run. We broke it. We got a wave 3. We range again to the base channel. We got a wave 5 hitting the middle line, and then the price, of course, start to break outside the base channel. It's a red flag. It's a bear market starting there. We laid down our base channel also for the bear market, and here we are. The price is still ranging in between it, and I'm still looking here that this potential price can still move in this form as a W, an X, and a wave Y. This is my highest probability to reach, of course, this red zone, 52K. Timing is very essential also, 0.38 fib time here, meaning before we get to this time, not just the level and the price, before we get to this time, we cannot dream about a bull run, guys. Okay, so we need the minimum requirement as well as timing here for a 1-2 before we push toward the upside. So yeah, still of course in a bear market, we're still looking for lower. We're still looking to finish a structure 3 by 3 by 3 at least here, or 5 ways, meaning impulse there to finish an ABC. But yeah, I doubt it because wave B is a very shallow, guys. If you are in a wave B, meaning you would like to be in a zigzag, and when you are in a zigzag, you would like to have an impulse here. Now you tell me, okay, but this can be an impulse. No, definitely not, because if you dive inside it, you will realize that this wave 4 here on the daily, we cannot see it on the daily there. So you will realize that a 1-2 wave 3, your wave 3 here cannot be an impulse. You got an invalidation. So 1-2, 1-2, let's say, wave 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Where are they? So we don't have even an impulse there. Yeah, so the thing is, if we were in an impulse, this is exactly the path that I would like to see breaking the base channel from this timing here. After this time, I would like to see a wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. But this did not happen, guys. So a deep correction as impulsive one is not working. It has broke the trend exactly at this timing and at this price. It has decided to move in an X here, 3 waves up, even breaking the base channel from the top, fake out of course, and then dropping down again, because we still need to finish the structure at the end, which is of course WX and Y in this form. So 3 waves is gonna keep ranging inside this base channel and not breaking it. This is what I'm saying, guys. The price is going to keep ranging inside this base channel until we reach the target, and not breaking outside of it to be very aggressive. So this is the difference, and this is one of the probability, of course, that I was looking for months ago, right? So we were looking for a WX and a Y, ABC regular flat, or ABC expanding flat. So one of those 3 probabilities, and obviously it has chosen the WX and a Y. The X is finished there, and the wave Y is unfolding in a form of an impulse wave A, wave B, and a wave C to hit our timing again and our fib level. The most important, of course, vision here that we would like to understand to figure out what's going on, guys. So wave A definitely is not finished, so we're still in double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5 to finish the wave A, and then starting to think about a wave B before we dive deeper in a wave C, finishing up potentially a shallow bear market. So we will have to test what's gonna happen over there. Are we gonna get a signal of strength 3 ways up? Because anyway, we will push up anyway, guys. So it's a very nice opportunity, definitely. Because why I'm saying anyway, meaning in bullish and bearish scenario, it's gonna be pushing for higher. Because if we are in an ABC here, as a 3 ways, let's say we still in a deep correction, it's gonna take time and so on. Your wave B is gonna push for higher. Okay, in case that we finish a shallow bear market, we're pushing for a new bull run. So this area will be covered, of course, starting from that point, and I'm waiting for that time, guys, that it pushed toward the upside from this level. But currently we still need to finish the structure, the time, and also of course the wave Y. Yep, so this is regarding the daily. Let's dive inside it on the 1 hour chart as promised. So basically for the 1 hour chart, we mentioned that the wave A might still be unfolding for the wave Y. The wave A is a double 1-2 potentially, but you know, I go safer first. Safe mode, and then of course we will test the weakness and the strengths in this area, and then we call a double 1-2. So far I'm considering this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very extended wave 5 can be, guys. But of course, what the answer will be here if we get like signal of strengths, 5 ways up, 3 down, pushing like in a 1.618 wave 3. Okay, guys, then this is definitely something as a finished impulse, and we're looking for something as a wave B, right? So basically, in any case, we might push for higher here, but it depends how much deep it's gonna or float toward the upside. Yeah, but basically this too has a risk to make a transition to double 1-2 rather than 1-2-3-4-5, meaning 1-2-1-2, wave 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 to finish a wave A. So this is the difference, guys, and that makes, of course, a longer time correction, and much more deeper prices, which it can be the 44K as we saw in the daily and the macro level. And this is the difference on the micro level where it tells us where we are heading. Yeah, so we'll see, guys. Now for this week, for Monday, I'm still expecting, of course, something for lower. Let's see it on the 15-minute chart. So I'm still expecting a 1-2, and wave 3 is not yet done, guys. So I don't see it yet done. Honestly, the structure definitely is not finished. And yeah, it's something very interesting what's going on there, that we see something pushing above the 1-to-1 fib level as an ABC here. The wave C is obviously like a ending diagonal. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, you have 3 waves here, so I doubt so much that we are in something very bullish or impulsive here. So it should be a corrective structure, and then to push again within a wave 5 to hit the 62K. I'm still on that target. The invalidation anyway is not taken. Yeah, so you have your invalidation on the 1-hour chart here for the bullish, in case, of course, invalidation of bullish, meaning that one, sorry, is taken. Your invalidation for the bearish right now, that we need to take a view on it. So this one, there you go, which is 64K 541. So if the price keeps ranging below the 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so the price should stay below in case we are pushing for lower. If we take the 64K 541, then okay, it's a green flag. Something might be, of course, yeah, different. It can be something more complex. But we'll see, guys. But basically, I don't see yet something very, very bullish here. If you want to count this as a 1-2, another 1-2, well, it can be, but yeah, again, it says 3 waves here, okay, from the low. It's a zigzag. It's not an impulse, okay? So we cannot count a 1-2, and that's why I see it as a regular flat, a very complex structure as a wave B, much more likely than a wave 2. And also this wave C is unfolding right now. So we'll see. We'll see, guys. To be watched, of course, is the invalidation, 64K 541. But the highest expectations is to continue toward the downside sooner or later to finish this impulse, guys. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 to hit a new low, and of course continue the wave ABC for a wave Y in a bear market. That was it for Bitcoin, the deep analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.